Bitcoin price prediction. Latest update shows BTC finding stable support around $26,000 double bottom level. The $26,000 level has recently provided considerable support for Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, establishing a double bottom pattern. Strong support has been established at this level for BTC, pointing to the possibility of a positive reversal. We will examine the ramifications of this price movement and the major variables affecting the Bitcoin price prediction in this article. Let's look at the characteristics of the market right now to see if the double bottom formation could signal an impending BTC rising trend. Japan will enact stricter legislation on cryptocurrency exchanges. On June 1st, Japan will begin enforcing more stringent anti-money laundering (AML) rules for Bitcoin transactions. With this action, Japan's legal system will be brought into compliance with global cryptography norms. Midway through May, the G7 met in Japan to debate travel regulations. The Financial Services Agency, FSA, Japan's financial regulator, introduced new regulations for cryptocurrency exchanges in response to the hacking incidents at Mt. Gox and Coincheck. In order to safeguard consumers, the FSA has introduced a number of regulations, such as the separation of customer and business assets, annual audits to confirm holdings, a ban on leveraged trading on exchanges, and a requirement that authorized cryptocurrency exchanges keep at least 95% of client funds in cold wallets. The forthcoming rules in Japan have increased pressure on the BTC, USD prices, which were already falling as a result of the growing wave of laws affecting cryptocurrencies globally. Increased security measures shown by drop in crypto attacks, but BTC prices unaffected. According to data by security firm TRM Labs, attacks and hacks on cryptocurrency protocols drastically declined in the first quarter of 2023, recording a 70% decline in comparison to the same period in 2022. Despite similar incidents, the average hacking cost fell from around $30 million in the first quarter of the previous year to $10.5 million in Q1 2023. TRM Labs also noted that in Q1 2023, victims of Bitcoin theft were successful in recovering more than half of their lost money, underlining the possibility that these instances could occasionally serve as unofficial bug bounties. There is optimism for a more secure future thanks to things including enhanced cybersecurity practices, tougher legislation, and increasing coordination among industry participants. Crypto assaults have decreased this year. Despite the fact that these research results are positive for the cryptocurrency industry, they did not drive BTC prices higher. Ron DeSantis, governor of Florida, supports Bitcoin. The discussion between Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, a Republican presidential contender, and Elon Musk ended with references to Bitcoin and Dogecoin in relation to digital assets. Governor DeSantis defended Bitcoin as a question of civil liberties and criticized his opponent's attempts to impose limitations on cryptocurrencies as an example of government overreach. He also voiced his support for Bitcoin. "You have every right to use Bitcoin," said DeSantis. "The fact that they have no influence over it is the only reason why these individuals in Washington don't like it." He pledged to vehemently oppose any attempt by the Congress to outlaw things like Bitcoin through new legislation. In addition, he cautioned that the present administration might try to ban Bitcoin if President Biden is elected again. DeSantis asserts that the present administration is targeting Bitcoin, adding, "And if it goes on for another 4 years, they'll probably kill it." While pledging to safeguard people's ability to trade in digital assets like Bitcoin, Ron DeSantis also voiced his opposition to the development of a central bank digital currency on Wednesday. DeSantis' assistance is assisting in minimizing the day's losses in Bitcoin. Price prediction for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, has found support around the $25,800 level during the Asian trading session. Above this level, the 4-hour time frame shows the development of a hammer pattern, which suggests a potential reversal towards a positive trend and a slowing of the bearish momentum. The 50-day exponential moving average's presence has further exacerbated the resistance that Bitcoin is currently seeing near the $26,600 mark. After a violation, this level works as resistance instead of the support it formerly did. Bitcoin may aim for the $25,500 level as a downside goal if it falls below the $25,800 mark. The RSI and MACD indicators, indications of oversold circumstances, point to the potential for a brief bullish correction. The $25,800 level must therefore be closely watched because a breakout over it could trigger a mild bullish pullback towards the $26,400 or $26,600 levels.